Anxiety and depression, they're often co-occurring.
The Office of Education began hosting their student mental health webinar series during the pandemic. Sessions for school staff include depression and anxiety in youth, building stronger relationships, eating disorders, and the connection between vaping, cannabis, and mental health.
We want to increase mental health literacy for all staff in a school campus so that there are all these caring eyes and ears on students. Everyone has common knowledge, common understanding of what are some warning signs, what to look out for.
Heather Namor is the Office of Education's coordinator of student wellness and school culture. She says one goal is to help reduce stigma.
Having that caring, empathetic, compassionate approach and building those relationships with students to open the door to have those conversations. And really just in the end, of course, guiding them to support if needed.
For the first time, there's also a mental health webinar series for parents. The sessions are in partnership with Scripps Health and Rady Children's Hospital.
We've been seeing rates of mental health just increasing and increasing, and teachers in our schools are the front line of this crisis.
Willow Jenkins is a medical director at Rady's. She's leading the discussion on the connection between cannabis, vaping, and mental health.
Nicotine withdrawal can cause anxiety, can cause irritability and depression. And if parents and teachers don't know that their students are using these things, they might not know what's going on.
There's also a focus on eating disorders, which Jenkins says have been on the rise.
Eating disorders are considered a mental health disorder. So they're considered in that category. And the reason for it is that a lot of the behavior around eating is fueled by different psychological processes. And depending on your family and your stress, you're using eating as a way to help control or deal with underlying kind of stressors or concerns.
There's a webinar at the end of the month for parents and caregivers relating to drug use and mental health. In March, there's a session on depression and anxiety, and in April, the focus is on the importance of healthy relationships. Matt Hoffman, KPBS News.